So the bane of every coin dealer's existence is figuring out the value of proof sets. We all know that. So at CDN Exchange, we've actually done something about this after decades of everybody complaining about it and also trying to figure out how we can improve the operation for you. So we added on the homepage of CDN Exchange something called the deal worksheet. So you click this button on the homepage and you will arrive at a worksheet page. On this page, you'll see there's a few pieces of information you're asked for first. First, a default discount percentage. We all know that people like to buy proof sets at a certain percentage back of bid or something like that. We don't always get to buy them back of bid, especially in a fast-moving market. But let's just say, for the sake of argument, that you could buy a deal at 10% back of bid. So you enter the number 10 here, and then you would enter the person's name you are actually working up the deal for. So let's say Louis Eliasberg has come into your store with a group of proof and mint sets, and you want to work up a price for him. So you enter his name here. And the third piece of information you're asked at the top is whether you want to print the report for the client only, the dealer only, or both. For the sake of simplicity, we'll show you what it looks like for both. You can always change that later. And then you will go through this grid and enter the number of items that you have for each proof set that he brings to you. And as you can see, we have updated the values at the minute that you are working on your sheet with the current gray sheet values. Now, we change these prices every day, so you're really better off using the online worksheet at CDN Exchange than you are going to the printed guide or a 2-month-old copy or something like that, because these prices are changing fast. So let's say, for example, that the proof set deal you're working on has, 3 1972 and 3 1974, 7 of the 1978s, and so on. And you get my drift. Let's add a few more items here, and we'll go down to, let's say, the mint sets and see how that can be added in. So in 1980, we'll put 5 1980 mint sets, 7. Now, you already know this is the kind of thing that takes your counter people or anybody in your office, quite a while to do every day or every week. So you can see how fast this can help. We've even added special mint sets here. So we'll throw a couple of those. We'll add some Ikes. We've added those to the worksheet. And voila, you can see how fast this is to do. We've even added the ability to put anything that's on the gray sheet in here as well in your deal. Now, we will make this feature a lot more robust over time. This is the first generation of the worksheet. For today, let's just try something like Buffalo nickels. Buffalo nickels. So I type in Buffalo nickels, use the keyword, and I'm just going to use the type 2 type coin, and then it's asking you for what grade row you want. So let's say these are just, circulated average coins. So we'll go with good 4, and then click the add row button. And as you can see, gray sheet is 45%, and you're going to be paying 41 cents with a 10% discount. And let's say you want to figure them for a 25% discount or 34 cents a piece. Now you have to add your quantity. Let's say there's 234 of them. Boom. Now you can see you have $78.98 worth of Buffalo nickels. And because you added your 10% discount to the top, everything that's already been shown here is now already calculated with a 10% discount. So now that I've completed my worksheet, I am going to click the print worksheet button. And as you can see, we now have a beautiful report that says, this is going to be your company name. Says CDN Publishing because I'm logged in as that. We have added the gray sheet logo that helps add credibility to the valuation. And this is the client copy. The first sheet is the client copy, shows the proof sets and mint sets and so on that you've added to the sheet. And then your internal copy will show more detail. We'll show the gray sheet bid, the discount that you've done, the net times the quantity, and the total. So you can see all that has been calculated here, and you hit the print button, Control P, or however you like to print things out. And in 2 seconds, you're going to have a report that allows you to buy this proof set deal and move on to your next. It's going to save you hours of work and thousands of dollars a month. And, actually, who can value your time, because there's not enough of that, so that all the hours saved doing this allows you to do more deals. And another great reason for you to join CDN Exchange today and use this valuable tool. Thank you very much, and see you on the exchange.